Okay, this is the Quickie Microfiber Ceiling Fan Duster. It grabs and traps dust. You can see it's on here. So the circular shape allows you to get around your fan blades. It works really, really well. It's also just great for, you know, dusting up high places that are hard to reach. You can see we have some dust up here. Up here. So yeah, really easy to use. This extends so it gets longer, shorter. And when you're done, you just shake off the dust. Instructions here. Shake to remove dirt, rinse with cold water, shake excess water, air dry. So super easy to use and makes dusting a fan so much easier. So definitely recommend. Yeah, I have been using a pillowcase to try to dust. See if you can get in between all of these places. Yeah, super cool. Definitely check it out. Quickie brand.